Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with this unit I made from the hair that was sent to me by Tinashe Hair Company. So just before I begin, you guys, make sure that you have subscribed, guys, and join the family, and also make sure you turn on your notification button. So I'm just gonna go ahead and start personalizing my frontal. You can bleach the knots if you prefer. I just used my sponge that had some foundation in it, and I used all the 3 bundles that they sent to me, and a frontal. Like, this hair is very full, and I did not experience any shedding with this unit apart from the hairline where I did personalize it. And like, seriously, the frontal is super thick. It's got so much hair, so you only need 3 bundles. You can actually get away with only 2 bundles, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim off the sideburns. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my got to be glued spray. I am not using the gel because I haven't got much time on my hands. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my spray. So I'm just gonna start by spraying it on one side of my head, and you need to make sure that this is a bit tacky. Don't let it get dry, because if it dries out, then you can't stick your frontal. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and press the frontal down, and I'm gonna go ahead and use the blow dryer just to make sure that everything is laying down nice and flat. Okay, this is absolutely effortless. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Keep on watching. I always have trouble laying down my sideburns. They always lift up. I think, well, most people do have the same problem, so I'm not the only one here. Okay, the struggle is real laying down the sideburns, so you need to go back in and lay them down separately. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my Eco Styler gel just to lay down the baby hairs. Okay, you can actually use any gel you want, or you can use the got to be glued. It's all up to you. With Eco Styler gel, it gives you like that natural kind of look. It doesn't get messy or anything like that, so that's why sometimes I prefer just using my Eco Styler gel. So after this, I'm gonna go ahead and tie my baby hairs down. And I had a mosquito bite there, guys. Like, seriously, why did you choose my face? So I'm just gonna go ahead and use my powder just to personalize my lace in my baby hairs. So just to make sure that everything blends together flawlessly. Like, seriously, what wig, guys? I keep saying this, but wow, I think I'm getting better on my wigs, guys. What do you think? Like, seriously, look at that frontal. It looks like my own hair, like you can't even tell it is a frontal. Like seriously, this is what you want to achieve. You want that natural kind of looking frontal. I did not experience any shading or tangling with this hair. This hair is quality. I just love the thickness and fullness of this hair, you guys. So yeah, I'm gonna leave all the hair details in the description box down below. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and please don't forget to thumbs up this video, also comment, rate, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.